Hello everybody, welcome back to our Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily change the message display time on your Canon i-SENSYS MF657Cdw. So first, what you guys want to do is go over to the menu. So the menu is right here. Now let's go over and click Preferences and Accessibility right at the bottom. Now here we will have the message display time, and here we can change it from 1 to 5 seconds. As you guys can see here, we can add more or subtract or even type the custom one. So for example, 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5. So now I'll show you guys the second way of doing it. So as you guys can see, I am on the website of the printer. Let me quickly log out and show you guys how to easily get here. So go to System Manager mode first and enter your remote UI access pin. If you don't remember yours, then you guys can set it up again in the printer. Let's click on Login here. And now we need to go over and select Settings/Registration. After that, go to Accessibility Settings, and here we need to click on Edit, and we will be able to change the message display time. So it's also from 1 to 5 seconds. It's the same as the printer, just a different UI. Let's set it to 4, or let's set it to 1. And here, after we click OK, it will also change immediately on the printer. So that's basically it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.